Welcome to session number 30 of the Word Power Made Easy. We are going to discuss about the noun, adjective and verb, how we are going to make noun, adjective and verb. Because if you know this thing, you will understand it properly, you can use the English properly and you can use the appropriate word for the appropriate situation. For example, TUD, tude, that is magnitude, NESS, witness, emergency, ENCY, ISM, ITY, ION, that will makes the noun. Adjective ORY, OUS, AL, ENT and IC, IC adjective, and noun IZE. So if you add suffix, then you can make noun, you can make adjective and you can make verb. Okay, we are now going to discuss about the 10 words to insult your enemy. For example, brothers, sisters and wives and husband. So frater means brother. Soros means sister. Yuxor means wife. Martinus means husband. These root words are the source of numbers of additional English words to fraternize, etymologically to have a brotherly relationship. So fraternize. These words may be used to indicate social interaction or social intercourse between people irrespective of sex. So male to male, female to female, male to female, female to male, any kind of interaction, you can use the word fraternize. Fraternize, social interactions or social relations with women. Noun fraternize, what is the noun? Fraternization. So ION. When you are adding ION, then it becomes a noun. Fraternal, so you are adding AL. When you are adding AL, then it is adjective. So brotherly. The word also designate non-identical twins. Fraternity, ITY, it means it becomes noun. A men's organization in high school. Sorority, ITY, so women's organization in high school, so it is also noun. Uxorious, OUS means it is adjective. So an adjective describing a man. Uxorious is not a synonym of henpecked. Henpecked means a person who is husband who is dominated by wife. Uxorious means pertaining to a characteristics or befitting to a wife. Uxorious duties, privileges or attitude. Marital means marriage relationship of husband and wife. Extramarital means out of marital. Premarital means before marriage. Pre means before. Of cabbage all kind, all kings, without the cabbage. Regis is a Latin word. The meaning of rex and regis is actually a king. So Tyrannosaurus Rex, largest king. Rex means king rather than slaves. Regal means royal or fit to a king. And regality, ITY, you are adding. So that will make noun, regality. Regalia means dressed like a king. So 5-star general appeared in full regalia, means very decorative dress. Madness of all sorts. Monomaniac means fanatic, thinking in one direction. Develop an abnormal obsessions in respect of one particular thing. Mono means one, but otherwise normal. So monomania. Monomaniacal. It is an adjective form because AL is coming at the end. Mono means one, mania means abnormal, habit. So dipsomania means someone who is alcoholic or strong desire to have a alcoholic beverage. Dipsomaniacal, so you are adding AL means it becomes an adjective. Kleptomania means shoplifting, a strong desire to steal something, not for the economic gain but because of the very abnormal kind of attitude, so that is called kleptomania. Pyromania means compulsions to set something on fire and that too deliberately. Pyromania means set property on fire for thrill, and pyromaniac Pyromaniac means somebody who has a habit to set the property on fire, and it is ending with AC, so it is an adjective. Incendiary. Incendiary means antisocial or usually set fires by revenge. This is by revenge. But when I am using the pyromaniac means somebody who is setting the things on fire out of fun. But this is out of revenge. Incendiary. Incendro. Incendro means set fire. And we are also come across the words arson. Arson means to set property on fire. Can you write an objective form of the pyromania? Pyromania means pyromaniacal. Megalomania. Megalomania means compulsions of grandeur or power or importance. If I want to be number one, I am number one. I want to be number one. I want to be a great. So that is I am suffering from megalomania. 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 Nymphomania, uncontrollable or intense desire on the part of female for sexual intercourse. Nymphomaniac means a person who has this kind of desire, and nymphomaniacal means it is an adjective because it is ending with al. Satyromania. Satyromania means uncontrollable sexual desire on the part of male, and on the part of female it is nympho. So satyr, notorious for lechery. The person who has a satromania is known as satromaniac. An adjective is satyomaniacal. And now phobia. Phobia means fear. So claustrophobia means fear of open space, big ground. Then you look at the ground and you get fear. Claustrum. Claustrum means place or phobia. Claustrum means open place. Agoraphobia, fear of large building. Large building. So it will create a agoraphobia. So agora means large building. An adjective of agoraphobic. Phobic. Acrophobia. Acrophobia means fear of high. This is high. So acrophobia. Acrophobic means this is an adjective. Now here is a prefix, root or suffix, and you have to make an English word, and the meaning is already been given. So frater. Frater means brother, so fratricide. Soror means sister, so sororicide. Uxor means wife, so uxoricide. Meritus means husband, so mariticide. Rex or regis means king, so regicide means killing of one's king or president. Mania. Mania means madness, so monomania means fanatic or using only one thoughts. Monos means one, so monomania. AC. It is a noun suffix, one who, so monomaniac, one who is fanatic. AL. AL means the adjective suffix, so patriarchal. Patriarchal. Dipsa means trust, so dipsomania means trust for the alcohol. Klepte means thief, so kleptomania, shoplifting. Pyros means fire, so pyromania, thrilling to put the property on fire. Incendo, to set the fire out of revenge, so incendiary. Erdo or arsus means to burn, it means arson. Mega, great, large, so megalomania means obsessions that I am something, or I am important, or I am very powerful, that is known as megalomania. Phone means sound, so cacophony means bad sound. Homophone means similar sound. And euphony means sweet sound. Satyromania means a strong desire for a sex on the part of a male, Nymphe means bride. So nymphomania means a strong desire for a sex on the part of female. Claustrum means enclosed place. Enclosed place means open space. So claustrophobia. Agora. Agora means large building. Agora means large building. So a fear of something large. Acros. Acros means something is very high. So acrophobia means feeling of high places. IC. Monomaniac. Phobia means fear. Diaphonious. Pre means prescient, means knowledge before. Prognosis or premarital. Extra means extramatrimonial. Now here is a word and there is a description. You have to match with the correct descriptions. So number 1, fraternize. Fraternize means socialize. Fraternal. Fraternal means brotherly. Sorority. Sorority means sisterhood. Uxorious. Uxorious means excessively indulgent to. So indulgent in one's wife. He is thinking about his wife, wife and wife. So it is uxorial. Marital. Marital means referring to a marriage. Extramarital. Extramarital means outside the marriage. Premarital means before marriage. Before marriage. Regal. Regal means something related to kingly, royal, splendid, or magnificent. Regalia means when you are dressing like a king, it is known as regalia. So badge, insignia, dress or rank or a office, then it is known as regalia. Monomania means obsessions in one area. Dipsomania means obsessions for alcohol. Kleptomania, obsessions for thievery or shoplifting. Pyromania means obsession for setting things on fire. Can you work with these words? Incendiarism. Incendiarism means malicious settings of fire out of revenge. Then it is known as incendiarism. Arson. Arson means felony of setting fire for economic gain. So for economic gain, it is known as arson. For fire out of revenge, then it is known as incendiary. And fire out of fun, then it is pyromaniac. Megalomania. Megalomania means that I am important, that kind of feeling. It is not delusion of grandeur. Nymphomania. Nymphomania means compulsive sexual needs on the part of female. Female is always connected with nympho. Satiromania actually. Satiromania means strong desire for the sexual needs on the part of male. Male means always understand satiro. Claustrophobia. Claustrophobia means malicious setting of. Claustromania means enclosed places. Agoraphobia. Agoraphobia means a large building, and acrophobia means high building, fear of high. Incendiary. Incendiary means one who sets fire out of malice or revenge. Arsonist. Arsonist, one who set fires for economic or illegal profit. Megalomaniac, one who has a delusions of greatness of power. Nymphomaniac. Nymphomaniac means woman with compulsive sexual desire. Satyriasis. Satyriasis, male compulsions or sexual intercourse. Claustrophobe. Claustrophobe, one who fears in a crowded places. Agoraphobe, one who fears large or open spaces. And acrophobe means one who fears heights. Acro means height. Is a sorority a men's organization? Sorority is a female organization. So no. Is an uxorious husband likely to be psychologically dependent on his wife? Psychologically dependent on his wife. So yes. Uxorious. So yes. Extramarital affairs, adulterous. Extramarital affairs is of course adulterous. Do VIP often receive regal treatment? Yes. Is admiral of the fleet in regalia informally dressed? Not informally but formally dressed. I think so. So phi is no, because it is formally dressed. Do monomaniacal people have varied interest? Monomaniacal has only one interest. So yes. Is dipsomaniac safety indulge in social drinking? Dipsomaniac safely? No, it is not safely. So no. So no. Do people of pyromaniacal tendency fear fire? No, they love, they get a thrill. So no. Is incendiary is uncontrollable impulse? Yes. Does an arsonist expect a reward of his action? Yes. Is it necessary to seduce a nymphomaniac? A nymphomaniac is not to seduce anybody. It is already having a desire. Do megalomaniac have a low opinion of themselves? No. Megalomaniacs has a very high opinion about themselves. Is satyromaniac is a lecherous? Yes. Is satyriasis and asceticism are compatible conditions? No. Does a claustrophobe enjoy cramped quarters? No. Would an agoraphobe be comfortable in small cell-like room? Yes. Does an acrophobe enjoy mountain climbing? Acrophobe means afraid of high places, so no. To socialize means to fraternize. Excessive indulgent to and doing on one's wife. Uxorious. We are talking Wi-Fi. Dull dresses with ribbons, insignia, badges is regalia. Obsessed in one area or with one overriding interest is monomaniacal. Having a compulsion to set fires is pyromaniacal. Having a psychological compulsion to steal something is known as kleptomaniacal. Person who sets fire for revenge is incendiary. Felony of putting torch to property is arson. Obsessive needs for the sexual gratifications by a male is known as satyromania. Morbid dreading enclosed with cramped places is claustrophobia, means large places, fear of large places. Morbid dreading of heights means fear of height means acrophobia. Acro means height. Morbidly dreading wide open spaces is agoraphobia, means large building, and then you have a fear. So agoraphobia. Having delusions of grandeur is megalomaniac, means thinking very best about oneself. Referring to female who is obsessively needs sexual gratification is nymphomaniac. Alcoholism is dipsomania. Stealing for thrills, then it is known as kleptomaniacal. Brotherly means fraternal. Characteristics of befitting to a wife is uxorial. Referring to or characteristics involved in the matrimonial relationship is marital. Kingly, royal, splendid, it's regal. Outs of marriage it extramatrimonial. Before marriage is premarital. So here we are ending the session 30. I am going to put the PDF file so you can download and for the practice purpose, and see you again in session number 31. Thank you very much. Bye bye.